Hello, dear girls, and also parents watching with them. If you are between 9 and 16 years old, your body may already be changing. Sometimes slowly, sometimes suddenly. You may feel excited, confused, shy, or even worried. Today, let us talk openly and scientifically about puberty in teenage girls, the most natural transformation in human life. Think of this video as guidance from a caring parent with medical science behind every word. What is puberty? Puberty is a stage when a girl's body begins changing from childhood toward adulthood. Your brain sends signals to your body through hormones, especially estrogen. These hormones act like biological messengers saying it's time to grow. Every girl enters puberty at a different age. Some start at 9, some at 13. Both are completely normal. Comparison with friends is unnecessary. Your body follows its own genetic timetable. First change happens inside the brain. Before you see any external changes, puberty actually begins in the brain. A small area called the hypothalamus activates hormonal signals. These hormones travel to the ovaries and start the reproductive system's development. So remember, puberty is not just physical, it is a coordinated brain body process. Common physical changes. Let's understand each change clearly. First, breast development. Usually the first visible sign. You may notice small breast buds, mild tenderness, uneven growth at first. This is normal. One side may grow faster. Symmetry comes later. Second, growth spurt. You may suddenly grow taller within 1 or 2 years. You might feel increased appetite, body aches, need for more sleep. Your bones are growing rapidly. Third, hair growth. Hair begins appearing, underarms, pubic region. This happens because of hormonal activation. It is a sign of healthy development, not something embarrassing. Fourth, skin changes and acne. Oil glands become more active. Result, pimples, oily skin, sometimes body odor. This does not mean poor hygiene. It means hormones are working. Simple care helps. Gentle face washing twice daily. Adequate hydration. Avoid excessive junk food. Fifth, menstruation, first period or menarche. One of the most important milestones. Periods usually begin 2 to 3 years after breast development starts. The first periods may be irregular, light or heavy, sometimes skipped months. This is normal during early puberty. Your body is learning rhythm. Understanding periods without fear. Menstruation is not illness. It is not impurity. It is a biological cycle preparing the body for future fertility. You can study, exercise, love, live normally during periods. Hygiene basics every teen girl should know. Change sanitary pad every 4 to 6 hours. Wash external genital area with clean water. Wear breathable cotton underwear. Never feel ashamed buying sanitary products. Taking care of hygiene is self-respect, not secrecy. Emotional changes are also normal. During puberty, you may feel mood swings, sudden sadness, attraction toward others, desire for privacy, sensitivity to criticism. This happens because hormones also influence the brain. You are not becoming difficult. You are growing emotionally. Lifestyle habits that affect puberty health. Healthy habits support healthy development. Regular sleep 7 to 9 hours. Balanced diet with iron and protein. Physical activity. Limited late night screen exposure. Stress management. Your body is building lifelong health now. When should you visit a doctor? Consult a doctor if no puberty signs by age 15. Periods extremely painful or very heavy. Periods absent for more than 3 months after starting. Severe acne or excessive hair growth. Extreme emotional distress. Seeking medical advice is smart care, not panic. Message for parents. Dear parents, puberty education should come from trusted adults, not internet confusion. When daughters feel safe asking questions, they grow confident and healthy. Science plus affection creates secure adolescence. Final message to teenage girls. Dear girls, your changing body is not a problem to hide. It is a powerful biological transformation. Every phase you experience has been carefully designed by nature. Be curious, ask questions, take care of yourself. Growing up is not something to fear. It is something to understand. If this video helped you or your child understand puberty better, share it with another family. Because correct knowledge given with kindness changes generations. See you in the next video of a growing up guide for teens. Stay healthy, stay confident. Thanks for watching.